Hey, what's up? Chiang here.
In this video, we will install Android Studio on Windows. Android Studio is an IDE used to develop Android apps. Before we install Android Studio, let's check the prerequisite. A 64-bit Windows 8 or later version. A computer with at least 8GB RAM and disk space. A screen greater than 1280 times 800 screen resolution. If you fulfill this prerequisite, let's move on to download installer. Alright, we just search Android Studio on search engine. Then we just click download button and accept the terms and conditions. After download the installer, now we're gonna to install it. We open the installer file. For this component section, you are free to choose whether you want to include Android virtual device. In this section, you can choose the location to install Android Studio. Now we need to accept the agreement before download the required file. Alright, now we have completed the installation. Thank you for watching.